Welcome back to SK Auto World. Today we're talking about a full-size SUV that has shocked the off-road world, challenged its biggest rivals, and sparked the biggest question of the year. Is the next-generation 2025 Nissan Patrol actually better than the Toyota LandCruiser? In this video, we'll break down the design, power, interior, technology, off-road performance, variants, pricing, and whether the new Patrol truly beats the king of SUVs. Now let's get started. The 2025 Nissan Patrol arrives with a completely redesigned exterior that blends rugged power with modern luxury. One look at it, and you know this SUV means business. Up front, the Patrol features a massive V-Motion grille, redesigned with premium chrome, new quad LED matrix headlamps, a wider, more muscular stance high-mounted fog lamps, and a sculpted bumper from the side, sharper character lines, larger alloy wheels, up to 22 inches, and flared fenders make the Patrol look tougher than ever. At the rear, Nissan gives it full-width LED taillights, a cleaner tailgate design, dual exhaust finishers, and a strong, premium SUV profile. The 2025 Patrol looks powerful enough for the desert, yet elegant enough for a 5-star hotel valet. Step inside, and the Patrol feels more luxurious and high-tech than any version before it. The cabin offers soft-touch leather everywhere, wood, aluminum, and gloss accents, a floating 14.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, a 12-inch fully digital instrument cluster, a new electronic gear selector, ambient lighting with customizable colors, a premium Bose sound system. The 2025 Patrol is designed for families, long road trips, and VIP comfort. The seats are wider, softer, and more supportive, available with heating, cooling, memory functions, and optional massaging features. The second-row passengers get executive-level comfort with their own touchscreen controls, independent climate zone, adjustable seats, USB-C ports, rear entertainment screens. You also get one of the biggest cargo spaces in the segment, making the Patrol ideal for travel, camping, and big families. Point one of the biggest changes for 2025 is under the hood. The legendary but fuel-heavy V8 is replaced with a more modern and powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering 450 horsepower, 516 lb-ft of torque. This is significantly faster and more powerful than the outgoing V8. And yes, stronger than the LandCruiser 300's 409 HP. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, full-time 4WD multiple terrain modes, a new adaptive suspension system. Acceleration is smooth, powerful, and refined. Exactly what buyers expect from a flagship luxury SUV. Fuel efficiency also improves thanks to the smaller displacement and turbo tech. For those wanting extreme capability, Nissan is also offering a performance-oriented Nismo version with sport suspension and aerodynamic upgrades. The Patrol has always been a desert king, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. Full-time 4WD low-range gearbox, locking rear, differential hill descent control, 4-wheel traction management, 9.4 inches of ground clearance, a tough body-on-frame construction. The Patrol's new suspension system helps it stay stable and composed even on rough terrain. Whether you're rock crawling or dune bashing, the Patrol is engineered for extreme environments. Many drivers already say the Patrol feels smoother and more powerful off-road than the LandCruiser, making this rivalry more intense than ever. Nissan has packed the 2025 Patrol with cutting-edge technology, intelligent 360 degrees camera, adaptive cruise control lane, centering assist, blind spot intervention, traffic sign recognition, automatic emergency braking, digital rear view mirror, head-up display. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, over-the-air updates, built-in navigation. This is easily the most technologically advanced Patrol ever built. Pricing varies by region, but here's the expected range. Base model, around $62,000. Mid-trims, around $70,000 to $75,000. Platinum/VIP, up to $85,000. Nismo, likely $95,000 plus. This positions the Patrol competitively against the LandCruiser and Lexus GX. SO. Is the 2025 Nissan Patrol better than the LandCruiser? Here's the truth. It's more powerful, it's more luxurious, it offers better tech, it feels more premium inside. But the LandCruiser still wins in Long-term reliability, reputation, global parts availability, both are amazing, but the 2025 Petrol finally gives buyers a true alternative, and in many ways, even a better one. Thanks for watching SK Auto World. Comment below, Petrol or LandCruiser, which one would you choose? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth automotive reviews.